Cultural traits of North Africa, Middle East, and Asia. Comparing and contrasting cultural traits. The student expectation is, I will identify and give examples of cultural traits in Northwest Africa, Middle East, and Asia. We will look at their cultural traits, specifically language, social organization, customs and traditions, and institutions. Please note, for the purpose of this slide deck, North Africa will be referred to as the Middle East. Please click here for the notes to complete as you go through the slides. Language in the Middle East is Arabic. Arabic is a southern central Semitic language spoken in a large area including North Africa, most of the Arabian Peninsula, and other parts of the Middle East. Turkish and Persian are also spoken. Here are examples of the language. Click here to listen to common phrases spoken in Arabic. Languages of Asia are Chinese, Hindi, and English. The majority of Asians speak Chinese. The Chinese language also has different dialects, with Mandarin being the most popular. See the examples. Click here to hear some phrases in Chinese. In the Own It section of your notes, practice writing the symbol for I love you. Social organization is family. In the Middle East, the Arab family is the dominant social organization in the Middle East. The family is thought of as a patriarchal, male pyramid. When Arab women marry, they generally live with the husband's family. Extended families that include parents, children, and grandparents are the norm. Asia. The Asian family household is also multi-generational. One can find at least 3 generations under one roof. The father is the main authority figure. The oldest male usually brings his bride to live with his parents. All the adults in the home are involved in important decisions. Customs and traditions. Middle East. Islam, Judaism, Yom Kippur Holy Day for Judaism, Ramadan for Islam, henna tattoos, dress for men is modest, no shorts. Women must have a headscarf on and no arms or legs showing. In Asia, Buddhism, Hinduism, Chinese New Year, Diwali, eating dumplings on winter solstice, planting vegetables and plants all over, Bon Dance Festival in Japan, and burping after a meal is customary. Basic institutions. In the government institution, Middle East has theocracy, monarchy, and democracy. In Asia, they have communism and constitutional monarchy. For economy, Middle East has socialism and a free market. Asia has a command economy. Education in the Middle East has a literacy rate of 96.95 on average. The literacy rate in Asia is 96.5 average. The main religions in Middle East are Islam, Judaism, Christianity. In Asia, the main religions are Buddhism and Hinduism. Wrap up. Now that you know about the cultural traits of the Middle East and Asian regions, you can see they have some things in common. It is these shared traits that unify societies.